got I believe that's a cottonwood on the sawmill. The thing is about 5-6 foot long. We're going to cut those into some half-inch thick, 1-inch thick. So I need to finish up these sawmill scrap box extensions, and I need to make some whatever for down there so it's not so muddy. Okay, so that, I think it was like a 15-16 inch diameter cottonwood. We were trying to cut them half-inch thick pieces, and that top one was 1.5 inches, just because that's like the smallest last cut I can do without getting a bandsaw blade into the metal. But yeah, I don't know, that was the best use for this log. This log seems like it's either like just super wet, it's got to dry a bit, but yeah, this stuff is kind of, look at that, yeah, punky, I guess. But we'll see if it's good enough to make platforms there to stand on. They don't have to be very structural, just gonna be stepping on them to keep my feet out of the mud, make it easier to rake out the sawdust. So we'll see if that's gonna be good enough for that. Otherwise we'll chip it and use it for wood chips. Probably would have been better if I made them thicker and then used them for trail armoring, but we'll let them sit there and dry for a couple days and see what they look like.